Hello folks, Richard Fontana here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Hello, you are welcome to AI Talkie demo video, and real quick I'm going to show you how AI Talkie works. Let's log in. With AI Talkie, you can easily turn any text, photo, URL, articles, and keyword into stunning AI virtual talking videos that dominate any platform and make you money. So this is the dashboard right here. So to get started, you click on projects, and you can select your preferred option. We have the image talkie, we have the clip talkie that allows you to generate human spokesman clips. We have the animation talkie that allows you to create an AI virtual talking animation. So I'm going to start with the image talkie. So you input your project name right here, and you can select a presenter or you import your own image. Yes, you can easily turn your own photo into AI talking video by uploading an image right here. So I'm going to select a presenter. We have a lot of presenters you can select from. We have a lot of them, so I'm going to select one. Okay, and the next thing you have to do is to select a voice. We have different voices, and now you can set your facial expression. You can set the expression for the head, you can set for the cheek, you can set the left cheek, okay, the right cheek, the speaking rate, and also the pitch right here. Okay, and now you can easily generate your content using any of these following. You can leverage on AI, and all you need to do is to input your keyword right here and click on submit, and AI Talkie is going to generate the whole script for you. As you can see right here, the script has been generated for us, and you can click on this and turn it to AI talking video. Also, you can input any website URL and generate content from that. So just input the website URL and click on submit. and the content is going to be generated for you like this, and you can easily turn it into human virtual talking video. Also, we have the Microsoft document. You can easily upload your Microsoft document and turn into virtual AI talking video. You can upload your PDF document, and you can also transcribe speech to text. Click on submit, and AI Talkie is going to transcribe your speech to text like this. Amazing. Okay, so now you click on generate. Amazing. Our talking head AI video is now generated.
Hey there, welcome to AI Talkie,
as you can see,
the world's first
this is the
AI engine that
result
turns
right
any
here.
text, URL, article.
You can click here to always download. Okay, and also we have the clip Talkie that allows you to generate a moving human spokesperson clips. So you input your project name right here. Okay, so you can select your presenter from the list of the presenters that we have here. Okay, or you can import your video. So you can easily import your own videos, and your upload is going to show up right here like this. Okay, and you can easily customize all these as well. Then you upload your voiceover, and if you don't have a voiceover, you can click here to generate your own voiceover, and all you need to do is to select your language. Okay, and you specify the volume, the speed, the pitch, and you input your text right here and click on sentence size, and your voiceover is going to be generated, and you can easily upload it right here. Okay, so click on generate. Awesome. Our AI talking clip has been created, and you can click here to play.
Thanks for your purchase of AI Talkie.
This is amazing.
It's AE here again, and I can't thank you enough for taking action. In just a few moments, you'll be able to start receiving.
Amazing. And you can also use the presenter, like I said earlier, if you want to use the presenter. So just click on generate after you've uploaded your voiceover, or you can always create a new voiceover here, and it's going to be generated for you. Amazing.
Hey there.
So,
want to see something cool?
The AI Talkie
Every day we use AI to generate what we call
presenter.
virtual human talking videos in less than 60 seconds with zero experience. And in return, we make money like this. And this.
So this is amazing. And lastly, we have the animation Talkie. So that allows you to create virtual talking animation. So you input your project name here. So you select your presenter or you import. So let me choose one of the presenter. Okay, I'm going to go for this. Okay, or this. Okay, so you can set the head based on what you want. You can leverage on this to generate your content, and you click on generate.
Hey there,
So
welcome to AI Talkie, the world's first AI engine that turns any text, URL,
really
article,
great.
keyword into stunning virtual humans.
And to view all your previous projects, you can always click on view project, and you see all your previous projects right here. You can click view, you can edit, you can delete. Okay, we also have the voiceover generator, and always create your own custom voiceover. We have the image generator, so you can use this to easily create animation image by just inputting your keyword. You select the style, cartoon, 3D, modern art, illustration, and you can click on generate. We have the AI content generator that allows you to generate content for your blog, for your website, for your videos. So the video title, the video script, etc. We have the video library that comes loaded with different videos that you can use in your project. You can easily turn any of these videos into talking human video. And also AI Talkie comes with the image library, so you can search and you can use any of this image in your project. You can turn them to a talking AI video, you can turn them to animation video, and whatever you want. So as you can see, AI Talkie is a solid software that comes with everything that you need. In just few seconds, you can easily turn your photo, your image, your videos, your text, your keyword, your website into AI talking videos. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.